Assassin's Creed is one of my favorite game franchises. It's pretty sad what the recent games have done to it. I have gone as far as to read the books of Assassin's Creed because of how much I like the series. So today we are making this poster for Assassin's Creed. This is day 6, we are doing 100 posters in 100 days. The first 10 days we are doing games. Be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get into the video. First thing you want to do is transform your GIF into a video. At least this is what I use. I use Premiere Pro. After you're done with that, bring it to Photoshop. This is a 1200 by 1500 project file. Just bring the video in, let it be there, enlarge it, do whatever you want. Next we are gonna do is a guide layout. You can do anything. You can follow my settings that you just saw. Lay out your poster however you wish. I'm just gonna time lapse it, so let's jump right into it. Alright, once you're done with your layout, it's time to convert this into a video poster. Go to Windows, click on Timeline, and create Video Timeline. And there we go. We're gonna change the background color because who likes plain white? Around, yeah, this should be fine. Yep. A change of plans. We're gonna use some paper textures. Use lighten color to remove the black color. And next, once you're happy with whatever you have, okay, let me rasterize this. Now we can just start removing the layer. Now you're gonna want to use the brush tool. Select the color that we are using for the background. Select the layer that you're overlaying. Increase the size of the brush and just color over it. I'm just gonna put it over here. Rasterize this layer, duplicate it. The bottom layer normal. The bottom layer is normal, so we can use something called remove background. That should remove all the blacks. It did kind of remove most of the blacks, but okay. Use difference. That should give it a overlay texture so that this paper texture is more visible. Use shift to select all 3 layers, and I'm gonna just rotate it a bit. Done. I'm done with the bottom part. Now we're gonna rearrange the text layers, so let's do that. Okay, so we're just gonna add a little extra detail. I'm just gonna show the effect on the screen right now. So we're gonna try to do that. Create another file, just export the video in. We're gonna bring the layer in, use divide, and now we're done. Now we are done. You can find all the textures and everything down in the description in my Discord server, so be sure to join that. And with that, we're gonna end this video. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.